is work out for your brand how you make a difference.
I find it fascinating sometimes because I'm a marketer. When I look at Facebook, the things that I'm being targeted for. And if you guys want to go for your own experience, I'm gonna give you a hot tip. As you start glancing through Facebook, if you start being a part of the newsfeed and looking at all of it, every time that I see a sponsored ad, in case you haven't noticed, every 5 to 8 posts from your friends and family, you see a sponsored message. You can do that right now if you want to while we're talking, okay? When you see a sponsored message, I want you to go and stop right there, stop it, and go and press the top right corner that has 3 dots. Press on it and select, why am I seeing this ad from the drop-down menu? Facebook is going to tell you what the advertiser is using to put their message in front of you. And when you do that, you start understanding the importance of talking to the right audience. Because 220 million people are not going to be interested in your products or services. Actually, a very small percentage of them are going to be. Most of them are not your customers, and you have to understand how to find them. The good news is that the Facebook platform teaches you all about it, shows you information, gives you access to that information. For example, if you want to target people that have high income levels, you can do that. Facebook uses the IRS data to target zip codes with a certain household income. So if you want to find people that are making $200,000 or more, you can, based on actual IRS data. If you want to find people that are low income housing, you can, based on IRS data. If you want to find people that are interested in animals, you can, based on the IRS data. If you want to target people that are interested in animals, Facebook has a lot of information about you. They know what you like, what you don't like. They know if you have kids, if you have children, if you're married, if you're divorced, if you own a house, if you rent it. They know if you like to travel. They know if you are actually traveling. They know if you recently got back. All that data is in the system, and that's the beauty of the platform, that it has a lot of information that we never dreamed about before. So we can use that. These guys at Direct Mail 2.0 can help you target these people correctly in combination with their social matching campaigns that help you find these people in social media, and now you can communicate better with them every single step of the way, right? So again, what do we got? In the United States, we got, sometimes you can get 2 CPMs, meaning cost per thousands. If you compare that with what you're paying in every other channel, it's pretty outrageous. So again, opportunities, right? Like if you want to talk about right now what it costs you to reach 1,000 people on Google, on YouTube, on other places, the difference is quite dramatic. So it's one thing that for you to just keep in mind.